Okay, nandito na naman si Sir Jebby. Kagila ay mas Sir Jebby, guys. Ito na nga siran, guys. Asa minindot ani, suggest the money, be. Okay? Diri ka Sir Jebby, pag ka nindot Sir, pag bati di ada pita, pag diri ka nindot ani. Okay, pag nindot diri di pita, di ka Sir Jebby. Now, okay? Sagutan natin itong problem na ito. But before that, shout out muna yung ating mga fans dyan. Okay? This is for you, mga mag-take ng board examination. This is our JB, guys. Okay? Sagutan na natin ito. What is the third side of the triangle? If meron tayong B down na 47, yung C natin 58, and merong angle theta 63 degrees. Okay? Now, paano natin ito isa-solve? What if, Sir Jabby, hindi natin alam kung paano ito isa-solve, Sir Jabby? Given yung dalawang sides ng triangle, at the same time, given yung isang angle natin. Kapag ganyan, di ba meron tayong law of cosine? Di ba meron dalawa yan? Law of cosine and law of sine. Dapat alam natin to. Law of cosine. Sa law of cosine, meron tayong tatlong formula. Example, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine theta. Kapag a squared naman, b squared plus c squared minus 2 times b times c cos theta. What if, Sir Jabby, b squared na naman, a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos theta. Dito, Sir Jabby, a yung wala dito. Ang A yung hahanapin natin. So, ito yung formula. Gagamitin natin, Sir Jabby. Pero, magti-take tayo ng board examination. Okay? Magti-take kayo ng board examination. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ito isa-solve gamit yung calculator natin. Okay? But before that, turo muna natin kung paano ito sasagutan using our formula. Okay? A squared. Ano yung B natin? 47 squared. Plus, ano yung 58? Squared minus 2, 47 times 58 cosine 63. Okay? Okay. Solve natin yan. Gamitan natin yung may wagong calculator natin, Sir Jabby. Okay. Okay. Type natin. Square root na yan agad. 47 squared. Then, plus 58 squared minus 2 times 58 times 47. Then, times cosine times 63 ito eh. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong sagot nito, Sir Jabby. Ang sagot nito, 55.658. So, tingnan natin, walang nakadecimal form yung sagot natin. Pero, ang sagot dito, letter D. Kasi kapag i-square natin yan, that is 3097.8. Okay? That is letter D. Okay? What if, Sir Jabby, maraming formula, law of cosine? Hindi natin alam, Sir Jabby. Okay, ito lang tatandaan ninyo. Kapag given yung dalawang sides ng triangle at isang angle theta, pwede natin yung isosolve using our calculator technique. Okay? Ito yung maganda ka, Sir Jabby. Mayroong calculator technique dito. Okay? Mode. Dapat naka-mode then naka-complex yung ating calculator. Again, mode, then press natin yung number 2, complex. After that one, Sir Jabby, shift height natin. Okay? Shift height para maging absolute value. Now, tingnan natin, Sir Jabby, kung ano yung malaking sides na given. Di ba 58? I-subtract lang natin yan, Sir Jabby. 58 minus 47. Dayon, itatype natin yung angle 63. Paano yun, Sir Jabby? Di ba mayroong angle sign dito? Shift angle ito. Then, itype lang 63. Wala lang 5 seconds, Sir Jabby. Tapos ng problema mo, Sir Jabby. Okay? 55. Square natin yan, Sir Jabby. The same lang yung sagot, Sir Jabby. Walang problema yan, Sir Jabby. Wala nang law of cosine kapag mag-take ng board exam. Kapag given yung two sides sa ating triangle at isang angle, i-mode lang natin, then complex, then shift height. Then, i-type niya itong malaking sides, 58, i-subtract natin. Then, i-copy natin yung angle na 63. Then, 55, kapag wala, i-square lang natin yan para makuha natin yung original na number. 3097.8 or approximate letter D yung sagot natin. Okay, I hope mayroong natutunan. natutunan ka, Sir Javi, ngayon. Huwag kalimutan mag-share, share. Shake, shake, shake. Papasaba. Okay.